Hi, my name is Mark Harrison. That's me in the upper right. I'm a math teacher. I teach at Manchester Valley High School in Manchester, Maryland. In addition to my math duties, I'm the school improvement team chairperson, so I get to look at a lot of school-wide data and have some input on decisions that affect our policies. Monday, yesterday, was the 31st anniversary of my hire date for Carroll County. I taught music for 15 and a half years, and I have now taught math for 15 and a half years. I continue to play the clarinet and saxophone competently. My wife and I are empty nesters. Of the 4 steps for action research, I find that collecting data and analyzing and interpreting data don't seem too daunting to me. In the school system, we collect a lot of data. We analyze and interpret a lot of data. I think that'll be fine. But identifying an area of focus seems like that might be difficult. Once the area of focus is determined, developing an action plan to study the area of focus also seems challenging. What will be the best methods for studying the problem? How will I sustain the commitment to the plan after the novelty is worn off? And, the nuts and bolts of daily implementation set in. Which leads to the next slide. Making action research a part of daily teaching practices. Challenges for this include finding the time to collect data, but more importantly, identifying what data will be valuable to collect. Classrooms generate a lot of data like formative and summative grades, but it seems action research is going to involve more than that. Surveys and interviews are common, and these take time to develop and analyze. Sustaining the action research could be a problem. I think novelty will provide the motivation to start the process, but continuing the plan, especially in the middle of the process, will take concerted effort and commitment. Stories from the field. The first story resonated with me more than the second. The group of teachers met with a common interest in being part of a research team. All went well until it came time to determine the focus. Each teacher had different views about what should be studied. As teachers, we're used to being in charge. Part of the online learning program has been learning to release control over every aspect of learning and allow students to lead. Many teachers, including myself, find it hard to give up control. This need for control caused discord in the group in the first story. Their solution was to allow each member to choose the strategy they would research. So maybe the plan didn't have as much focus as it would have had if they had agreed, but I think each member of the team was probably happier that way. I'm excited to be part of this class. I recognize more than half of the names in the class list, so it seems I'm among familiar colleagues and friends. Throughout the program that I've been in, I found that the cohort of students has wonderful insight into the problems we face. I look forward to working with all of you.